Hello guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate Claude AI directly into Google Sheets. It's actually very simple. First, open your Google Sheets spreadsheets. Go to the extensions menu and select add-ons, and then click to get add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace marketplace. In the search bar, type Claude AI. From the options that appear, select Claude for Sheets. I already have it installed, but you just need to click the install button. Here is a quick overview of what Claude can do. Write your prompt in a column, select the model, such as Claude 3 Haiku, get the automatically generate response in the next cell. So to activate it, go back to the extension, find Claude for Sheets, and select Open Cycle. An authorization prompt might appear. Simply click and accept. Keep in mind that you'll need an active subscription or Anthropic APIs for it to work. How do you use it? It's easy. Just type the equals Claude function into a cell. Inside the parentheses, you'll need to include the prompt, the model, and any arguments or reference cells you want to process. And that's it. Now Claude will start answering your question or processing data right inside your spreadsheet.